Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week, I'm not planning to do a collection video because the last video which I did for an hour, didn't go through like I anticipated because it didn't even reach more than like 600 views. So I want to understand whether you guys want to watch the video in like 10-minute interval, like a 10-minute video per day, or you want me to put everything in one shot like I did last two times. So I want some suggestion on that because if you are if your expectation is like like 10 minutes video per day, like one box per day, that is also fine by me, because if that makes you like comfortable to watch the entire video and to go through everything which I'm showing, then that would be really cool compared to doing a 1 hour video. So even for me it would be really easy to do that. And okay, so with that said, I want some suggestion on that, how you guys are expecting that. So with that said, this next 2 weeks I will be unboxing the Siku, and there are Siku and some Mini GT, and there is one more brand which I bought, which is relatively new. So I never actually heard about that brand in India. So that's the first time I saw that brand, so I bought it. So let me start with this particular week's video. Let's start with this one. So this is the Lamborghini Veneno. So Sikus are not available in India now, if you guys are wondering. So I bought this in Malaysia. So if you saw that unboxing, sorry, hunt video, you might have known by right now. So this is Chevy Camaro. So these are new castings actually, and this was on discount when I bought it. So the Corvette ZR1. So this one has movable parts. Actually, a lot of these things actually has movable parts. So Camaro, I think it has the hood. I think you can open it. I need to recheck that one once. Okay. So the next one would be this. So the Apollo IE. So I do remember unboxing an Apollo back then. I don't remember what model it is. So this is one of my favorite cars. This is a Lotus Elise. So I never saw this casting in any other brand so far, to be very honest. Now I have like more around 200 cars right now, but this is the first Lotus I'm having. So when I saw this, it was only one available at that time, so I immediately bought it. So this looks really nice, and I came to know about this car back then when I was doing my think 11th standard or so, when that time in India this mobile phones, color mobile phones are getting famous, and there was a game called Asphalt Urban GT. So now now it is riddled with microtransaction and all. Asphalt 9 also is there, but back then it was a very simple game. It's you just need to race, and then you need to there will be car chases and all. It was very nice back then, but everything in 2D, even that was really awesome. So in that game I came to know about that Lotus Elise. So it was a very small car. It was really nice one. Okay, so last but not least, the Toyota GR Supra. So I do own this GR Supra in a couple of brands, I guess. One is by Majorette I have, and another one is by Hot Wheels, I guess. So this might be the third one which I'm having. This is relatively big compared to those two cars which I'm having. So I need to see where I kept that Supra, that Majorette one, because it was, okay, let's do like this, after maybe unboxing this, I'm planning to do a, comparison video, by every Saturday or so, until or unless I run out of, things to show. So, okay. So with that said, this is it for this week, guys. So stay tuned for this. And if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.